welcome back to New Look. Whiteheads and blackheads are the specific skin conditions and may happen with hair follicles in clogged conditions on the skin. Follicles may be blocked when keratin is combined with oil under the skin. In this condition, pimples may be produced. Open air pimples may be called as the blackheads, and in closed conditions, whitehead pimples may appear. Both are the same nature, but only the color is different. The responsible factor for these blackheads or whiteheads is the oil secretion. The people with the oily skin may suffer from these problems. The different individual may have different pimples like blackheads or whiteheads. Some individuals are affected by whiteheads and these are grown due to bacterial infection in the closed air pimples, but some individuals are the victims of blackheads on nose. Now I am going to show a natural home remedy for these blackheads and whiteheads. For this peel off mask, you require some amount of rose water, curd, the tomato, and some turmeric powder. Now going into the procedure, for this take a bowl, it should be neat and clean. Add a half tablespoon of turmeric powder, tomato juice, squeeze out the juice of one tomato, and some rose water. Then mix them well. This turmeric powder is antibacterial. Also, it helps to remove not only blackheads and whiteheads, it helps to remove the unwanted hair in After mixing this well, take some amount into your hands and just apply wherever you have blackheads and whiteheads. I am having some amount of blackheads on my nose. I am applying on that area. This is like a peel off mask, so apply thin layer. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes and then peel it off. After peeling off this mask, just wash with cold water. I have some amount of blackheads on my nose, so that I have applied on my nose. If you have any blackheads or whiteheads around your part of your body or any place of your body, just apply this face pack, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and just peel it off and wash with normal water. Do try at your home. With the regular usage of this pack, you will get rid of all the blackheads and whiteheads. For better results, use 2 to 3 times in a week. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do try at your home. Give a big thumbs up and share with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.